Okay, let's open the Excel file. I will show you how to insert the date and time even very easily and quickly. So let's say we could have it as on a column, maybe, I don't know, call it like this, date. And what I'm doing now, I'm inserting the current date now. So to insert the current date quickly without having to type it and making mistakes, something like this. Oops. To insert the current date and time without typing it so you don't make mistakes, it's very easy. Use the semicolon on the keyboard. So Control semicolon. Did you see what happened? Date is inserted. So we could have a column for time. Let's say now I want to insert the current time. Now it's 10:25. So it's Ctrl Shift semicolon. Enter. That was really quick. And if you want to do both of them in one field, I will show you a better way, but for now I will show you like this. So you have the date and time. So you do first Control semicolon space Control Shift semicolon. So you have the date and time together. If you want to insert in a field or in any box, if you want to insert date and time, you do Control semicolon space Control Shift semicolon, and you can have them like that. Also, as another option, you can use, if you have a keyboard with macros on it, with hotkeys, you can do a record the key combination, so you can press one shortcut key to insert the date and time together, like this. You could also use a macro in Excel, but I think maybe there is another way to insert the date and time together, so you don't have to do it like this, but that's it. Okay, so this is it. You have the date and the time if you want them separately. But if you just want them together, you can do Control semicolon and then Control Shift semicolon. And this field actually it's formatted as text now. So I have to do Control semicolon space Control Shift semicolon, and now it's the value. You have to be careful in Excel with the dates and numbers. In general, it tends to convert them into different numbers and you might get mixed results. So that's only the date and that's only the time. If you wanted to, it's a quick way to insert the date or time. Don't forget to save it.